In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to finish up an actual project here and save it to your computer. Now, we call this process rendering. You're going to hear me refer to that a lot. For some reason, Microsoft Movie Maker does not use the term rendering, but in the rest of the video world, rendering basically means that you take all of your audio and video in the timeline, and your computer program, in this case Microsoft Movie Maker, crunches everything down and puts it into a format that you can be played in other computers or put on a DVD or CD and be played somewhere else. A Movie Maker project is just that. It's a project file, which means that everything being put into your collections bin actually cannot be played elsewhere. All of your editing and cutting and moving video clips around, putting audio tracks in, all of that in here really cannot be shown anywhere else until you finish the movie, and that's what step 3 here says, finish the movie. And what I'm going to do, I have my 10-second countdown. I'm going to quickly preview it, and you see it says 10, 9, 8. And I want you also to notice that all my clips here are 1 second long, hence the name 10-second countdown. It's exactly 10 seconds. And remember, what I did was I double-clicked on it. If you had trouble with this one, double-click on it, change the title animation, and you want it to be a basic title. If you don't have it a basic title, you're going to have to play around with it and some transitions, and you can see me for that if you really want, but I'd prefer to keep it basic at this point. Especially if you've never done any editing before. Just keep it basic like this, and we have a 10-second countdown. Now, to finish the movie, what we do is we click on the Save to My Computer. Give it a second to load up here. And what we want to do, a lot of times this will say shared video, like that. Okay. I already have Miller _ 10-second countdown typed in here, and that's exactly what I want. What I want to do, though, instead of shared video, which is actually on this computer's hard drive, I want to change this so that it saves it to my video drive. And the way I do that is let the list make itself up here, and I go down to my video drive, which is right there. Click on that. Now, I actually have a subfolder on my video drive that I'd like it to go on. See, I have a ton of different folders because I use this drive for other things and other classes. There's my ModTech video folder. I'm going to click OK, and that is where this movie will be saved. Now, I'm going to hit the next button, and it's going to come up with some options. Actually, this option's by default set up for you. Best quality for playback on my computer, that's recommended. I'm going to leave it like that. If I was doing a video for an awards program or something, I would create a higher quality video for that. But for our purposes here, we're gonna just do it like this. There you see the estimated space required. We're going to leave it as that. I'm going to hit next, and it's going to go ahead and save the movie. Now, this is also called, again, rendering. Rendering the movie or saving the movie is exactly the same thing. There's the movie file name, there's the destination where it's going to be saved to, and you see it gives me the approximate time remaining and the amount or the percentage remaining to be rendered. Because this is such a small file, it moves pretty quickly. There's no audio in it, and there's really no moving video, so when it finishes, it's going to come up with this. Now, if I want to, I can click on this and say play movie when I click finish. I'm going to do that just to show you what it looks like. It's going to click finish, and it's going to open up my Windows Media Player software, and it's going to play this WMV file after it opens it up. For some reason the computer's working a little slow today. And there it goes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there you have your 10-second countdown. And when you're done with this, you want to show me that you've completed it, and you'll be able to get credit for it.